Lisa, when she was asking about 11 labs, because I use it quite a lot, I found if you use instead of using up the full 5,000 character limit, if you do short paragraphs, so it takes a little bit longer, but if you do each short paragraph, it comes out a lot better with pronunciation and everything else. And as long as you've got all your grammar in there properly, it comes out pretty well. And like you said, capitalizing your letters at the beginning, and also if you put an exclamation mark at the end of a capitalized word, it will emphasize that as well.
Yeah, exactly.
Great, thank you. Then I will do that. Thanks.
That's okay.
Yeah, and so basically, like with 11 Labs, you have some settings. You have a drop-down menu that says voice settings, and it has like the stability, the clarity plus similarity enhancement, and the style exaggeration. So if you really want to have more emotion in your text, Lisa, then you can, I think the style exaggeration, you can turn it higher, but this will take, it will take way longer to produce the voiceover. So if you want a like higher quality, you can try doing that, but it will take some longer to produce it. But that's what you can try to do first and foremost for making better ones. All right?
Yes, thank you.
Let's see. Some people just came in. Matthew and Bobby, I think, and Rory. Guys, we are actually